Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to show you how you can create a fully functional Laravel POS system with Claude Code. So I'm going to show you all the process here, so you don't have to do anything here. You don't have to do any coding here. If you are not a coder, if you want to make website, this video is for you. So first of all, we are going to go with the prompt, but before the prompt I'm going to introduce you with Claude Code. So we can actually use this Claude Code in three different way. We can actually use it for chat also. We can use it for making real project, making videos, and also for the programming. So here I'm going to show you the three process how you can actually get Claude Code. Okay, so first of all, you have to actually go to the browser and go to the Claude.ai. Okay, go here and you will come to this page, but before that you have to log in. Here you can see I have logged in through my account, so you have to log in, and here you can ask for anything, then you can chat here. But let's say you want to write code, so you can select this section code. Okay, but this is not the good way or correct way to actually complete a whole project, because you will get here code, but you have to actually download all these codes, and then you have to use these codes in your project. Okay, I will show you the most easiest way, and the easiest way is we can use here VS Code or anti-gravity in IDE. Okay, so here we are going to use an extension, that is Claude extension, and here we are going to actually give a prompt. Okay, basically we are going to give a prompt, and then it will generate the whole project for us. Here we are going to go with VS Code either or anti-gravity. In your case, you can use any of it. I'm going to use here anti-gravity. So let's open anti-gravity. Let me show you how you can download this anti-gravity. Just go to the browser and go for the anti-gravity, Google anti-gravity. Okay, you will come to this page. You have to actually go with the download option according to your operating system. I'm using Mac OS here, so I'm going to select this one, download for Apple Silicon. If you are from Windows, you have to select download for x64. Okay, so just select this or click here, then it will start downloading. Then you have to install it. Installation process is really simple. And now I will go back to the anti-gravity. Here you can see in the anti-gravity we have agent section. Here we have chat option. Here you can see, and from here you can select your Claude option. Claude chat also you can see, but I will not use this agent. Okay, we are going to remove this. We are going to use here an extension. So let's go for the extension section. Here we will go for the Claude Code for VS Code extension. You have to install this. I already installed it. When you will be install it there, then under this extension section you will get Claude Code chat option, you can see, and here you can create new session, and in this session you can generate the whole project. This is the easiest way, and we have another way, and that is Claude Code CLI, command line interface AI. Then in this case what you have to do, you have to go to the terminal. If you are from Windows, you have to go for the command prompt. Okay, CMD or PowerShell. Then you have to go there and say sudo, but this sudo is only for the Mac users. If you are from Windows, you don't have to write down sudo. Okay, you just have to say here npm space install space -g space open code. Sorry, this will be Claude Code, right? So anthropic at NTHROPIC anthropic -AI /Claude -code. Now if you hit enter, then it will start installing Claude Code. But before that, you can see we are installing it through package installer npm. So you have to have Node.js. Let's go to the browser and go for the Node.js. So you have to download Node.js. Okay, select any version. So most of the time I'll suggest my audience to go for long-term support version, that is here you can see, which will contain LTS. Okay, so you have to select this, then go for this. If you are from Windows, there will be by default selected Windows, and then you have to download .msi. Okay, then you have to install it. Very simple. And then you can run this command. Terminal. In the terminal you can run this command, so you will get command line interface. But the problem is, let's say you want to give here a prompt, and then you want to generate a fully functional project, so you can actually track where you are in your project. Let's say somehow by mistake you remove the terminal. You tried for the minimize, but you actually remove it, so that time you cannot actually track the project growth, where you have just stuck. So in this case, I will suggest you to go with extension. So let's go for the extension, and here we are going to go for the anti-gravity at first, and we are going to use here extension, that is Claude Code for VS Code. Now here we have to add our project. So here we are going to actually have to install a server for this, and for the database we are going to install another server. So XAMPP will provide us these two server. So we are going to actually go for the XAMPP. Let's go for the browser and go for the XAMPP. Okay, then you will find apachefriends.org. Click here. From here you can select download section, and then you will get here all the version. So go with the latest version. Now depends on your operating system. I am from Mac, so I'll select this one. Okay, now click here download, then you have to install it in your PC. If you are from Windows, there will be C drive or any other drive you have installed, and it's not a big issue where you have installed it. You will find a folder called XAMPP. In this case we have installed it in application and it's by default, so we have to actually go for this XAMPP, okay, folder, and you will find also same folder XAMPP. You just have to go to the htdocs folder. Okay, go inside of it, and here we are going to create a new project. So let's add here a new project, and then this project will work as a, this folder will work as a project. So let me just remove this folder and this one also. Want to actually delete them. Fine. Now this folder will be my project folder. So let's rename this, and we are going to say here POS-Laravel. So this is our project, and we are going to drag and drop it in the anti-gravity. So let's open anti-gravity here, go for the explorer, and here we are going to, either you can open from here, open folder, or maybe you can actually drag and drop it. So let's go for the drag and drop option. We are going to drag and drop it here. Here you go. Currently, so let's just remove right side agent. So here you can see currently we are in the same folder, that is POS Laravel, right? Now we'll go for this Claude Code chat option. We're going to click here new session, and here you can see we have a chat option. Now if we give here any prompt, let's say, then we can actually track it through this session. Okay, this current session will not be deleted until we go for the new project. So that is the reason actually I'm going to use here Claude Code for VS Code extension, this one. All right, now let's go back here. Let's remove this, and here we are going to give a prompt. So before the prompt, we are going to actually add the server. Okay, let's say I want to run the server at first. So to run the server, we have to actually go back to the XAMPP folder, and inside XAMPP folder you will find XAMPP control panel. If you're from Windows, just press Windows key from your keyboard, then type XAMPP control panel, then you can get XAMPP control panel here. In macOS we have here a file called manager-osx. So double click on the file, and then you just have to give your login password, Mac login password, and here within a short time you will get XAMPP control panel. Here you can see. Now go for the manage servers, start Apache, go for the MySQL database, and starting. They are starting, and it should be running. Here you can say running. Now our work is done. Now we'll just go for the browser once again and go for the ChatGPT or Gemini or any other chatbot and ask for a prompt. Here I have given a little information about my project. You can see I want to build a POS system in Laravel with Claude Code, so need a professional prompt for this. I will use HTML. So basically I have mentioned what I want to use and what are the server I'm going to use here and what is the color combination here. And I have mentioned that I'm not a coder, so add all the database and all the things for me, run the server also. So I'm going to actually now copy this. In your case, you may give here all the information, and if you want to get a professional prompt, you have to give here all the information related to your project. All right, now I'm going to copy this, and let's go back to the anti-gravity, and here we go, and here we are going to paste it. Okay, and we have add the server. Now we can actually run this. That's all. Now it will do the whole things, and it will complete the whole project for us. There will be some pop-up, and we just have to allow them. That's it. And I hope you understand. Then I will actually show you the output of this project. I will actually fast forward the video, and when the project will be done, I will back. So guys, here you can see it complete the whole project for us. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this URL because it complete the whole project. So I want to actually copy this. So I'm going to select this and copy this, and let's go back to the browser. Here we are going to paste it, and we got here error, you can see. So now what we can do is we can actually select the error. Let's say this one, specific error, and I'm going to copy this. Let's go back to the anti-gravity. Here we are going to paste it. Alright guys, it solved the issue. Now we are going to go there. Object not found. Another error. So let's copy this as usual. I'm going to copy this. Go back here in the anti-gravity. Paste it. Okay, now let's try once again. So here is the complete solution. So needs one restart to pick. Okay, so the problem is Apache needs to one restart. Okay, so now it find the solve that we have to actually restart our Apache I mean XAMPP server. Okay, localhost server. So let's go back to the XAMPP and we are going to actually restart all. Okay, all right, they are running. Now we can actually check it. So I'm going to go to this URL. Let's copy this URL and go back to the browser and paste it here. All right guys, now it solved the issue. So we are going to now copy this. Okay, so let's copy this and I want to copy this and let's go back to the browser and here we're going to paste it. Hit enter. Here we go. Now we want to log in as super admin, so we'll say super admin at pos.com. Okay, so we have super admin at pos.com and the password is password, so we are going to sign in. Here we go. Now we have a nice professional dashboard. You can see here we have a product section. We can add product, yes, and then we have category section. We can add category also. We have purchase section. We can add new purchase. We have sales section. You can see we have customer section, all the things. So it's working perfectly. I hope you understand how you can actually create this kind of project through Claude Code. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.